I'm on the track of trying cocktails that I've never tried before with ingredients that I've never used before. And this time I did a blood orange honey sour. This is going to be a shaken cocktail, so make sure you have your shaker tin, your jigger for accurate measurement. This is going to go in a rocks glass. We will need our hawthorn and our mesh strainer because we will be using fresh juice for this one. So for this guy, we need honey syrup, we need egg white, fresh lemon juice, fresh blood orange juice, and your favorite brand of gin. You will be using the aromatic bitters, but it's actually going to be part of the garnish at the very tail end, so it's not going to go initially into the cocktail. But all of that being said, all of the ingredients are going to be listed down below, so that way you can build the cocktail right along with me. We are going to start off with the blood orange juice. Fun fact, as my husband was juicing the blood orange, he said, huh, it looks like there's blood in it, hence blood oranges, in case you were curious. So we need 1.5 ounces of blood orange juice. Oh, bless it all. Then you need 1/2 ounce of your fresh lemon juice. We need 1/2 ounce of our honey syrup. And then you can either use 1 full egg white, but I like to use 0.75 ounces if I have just egg white that I didn't actually crack an egg for, just to make sure that I get that nice frothiness going on. And then last but not least, we've got 2 ounces of our gin. Goodness gracious, I know the recipe, I swear. All right, so it's 2 ounces of gin in case you were curious. So then, I have no ice. I'm going to have to go to my ice thingy. So we're going to fill this up with ice, and we're going to shake for about 15 to 20 seconds or until it's ice cold in our hands. Remember, 15 to 20 seconds or until it's ice cold in your hands. And I guess I should have said, actually, now that I think about it, we did use that egg white. So in theory, you should do a mime shake. I, again, as we all know, shake very aggressively. So I did not do a mime shake, but I promise I'm going to have a lot of froth. But if you don't feel confident in that, make sure you do the mime shake, then add ice, do another shake, and then you'll get that nice frothiness coming from the egg white itself. So I am going to put a little bit of ice into my rocks glass before I pour into it, now that I have ice. My stagehand is slacking at his duties today. Remember, we used fresh blood orange juice and we used that fresh lemon juice, so we want to make sure that we're using both our mesh and our hawthorn strainer. Wow. We're going to be tapping for a hot minute here. That blood orange was apparently very pulpy. It was just hanging out in my... Voila. All right. So for our garnish on this, I'm actually going to use my aromatic bitters. So of course, because my thing did not cooperate, I'm just going to put a couple little dashes right in the foam. I know it's kind of hard to see, I apologize. And then I'm going to take a skewer and I'm just going to kind of run the skewer right through that. It's going to give that cute little heart effect. I'll do a couple more on this side just because we can. And then just run my skewer right along there so it looks like little hearts. And then aside from that, I am also going to use a dehydrated orange slice. It's going to cover up my beautiful design, but you get the gist, all right, people? I'm trying to be fun here and bougie, and it didn't work very well for me this time. But so have fun with your garnishes. But I'm gonna give this guy a quick taste here because my manager is yelling at me in the background. And of course, my orange peel is a little too big. So, oh yeah, that's quite delicious. I'm definitely getting a decent amount of honey coming through. This is actually the first time that I've had blood orange juice in something, so I'm not really sure what exactly it tastes like. Like, it doesn't taste like actual oranges, which is super weird. So I'm having a hard time describing this one for you guys, which means you're gonna have to try and make it at home. Haha. But if you guys enjoy the cocktails and you want to try this at home, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you tried the cocktail because I'm not sure how to explain the taste of blood orange juice. It's different for me. But until the next pour, cheers.